Good afternoon, teacher and class in general. I was exposed inside my house. This is my house. It is a regular size house. I see room, television room, two bedrooms, the kitchen, two bedrooms. I live in my parents' house. In my living room we find are there coffee, chairs, a windows, a television, a sound system, a sofa, a display case, and a song book. In my kitchen there is a laundry room, a microwave, a tap, a pantry, a stufa, a refrigerator, a door and toaster. In the bedrooms we find there is a toilet, a shower, a mirror and sink. In my bedroom we found there is a painting, a poster, a television, a lamp, a bed, and a dresser. Thank you.